we're cousins, so we grew up together. So my first like friend, we both loved music. We used to put on shows for our family, make them pay to come watch us. It was like we were everything. We lived in London together. We did so much of our life together. And so for a while, for like the first month, I was finding it difficult to even like just to joke, because my sense of humor is built up on him, because to me, he was the funniest person. The way, just his humor, and it was so funny. Like it was just like
very subtle,
but then it can go from subtle to an extreme in 1 second. But it was very quiet. So like that would be the funniest thing. That normally like you'd be around people and he'll just say something small behind him, and you can't stop laughing, and he'll just be there like with his look, like just going on about it.
I know that look. My God.
You knew that look. You knew that look. And you know he's being a little bit naughty, but like in the best way possible, because everyone else around him was always either just really laughing or just having a good time.